Welcome back to our channel Facts and Fuel. Today we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking inventions in human history. It's an invention that powered a revolution, transformed industries, and changed the course of history. You guessed it, the steam engine. Let's rewind a couple of centuries and discover how this remarkable machine came to life. Meet the visionaries behind it and see how the steam engine changed the world as we know it. The story of the steam engine begins in the early 17th century. People had known for centuries that steam could be powerful, but harnessing it was a different challenge altogether. Then came Thomas Savery in 1698 with his fire engine, one of the earliest forms of the steam pump, designed to draw water out of flooded mines. This machine wasn't perfect, but it was the beginning of something groundbreaking. And soon, in the early 1700s, Thomas Newcomen improved upon Savery's design. His atmospheric engine became widely used in mining and helped drive the next steps forward. But it wasn't until a Scottish engineer named James Watt entered the scene in the 1760s that the steam engine would finally become powerful enough to change the world. James Watt was working at the University of Glasgow when he was tasked with repairing a model Newcomen engine. While studying it, he noticed major inefficiencies. Too much energy was being lost. Watt's idea? Add a separate condenser, making the steam engine much more efficient. In 1775, he partnered with businessman Matthew Boulton, and together they improved and mass-produced Watt's design. They made the steam engine more efficient and versatile, no longer limited to just pumping water out of mines. With Watt's improvements, the steam engine could now power factory machines, spinning looms, and even trains and boats, transforming industries like textile manufacturing, mining, and transportation. The steam engine was at the core of the Industrial Revolution, which began in Britain in the late 18th century. Factories sprang up, transforming once quiet towns into bustling industrial centers. People flocked from rural areas to these towns in search of work, creating new social classes and changing family dynamics forever. With steam engines powering mills and factories, production became faster and cheaper. Goods could be mass-produced, bringing new products to a growing market, and it didn't stop there. Transportation transformed too. Steam-powered trains and ships made travel quicker, connecting cities and nations and fueling trade and the spread of ideas. The world, for the first time, felt connected. The steam engine's impact was felt worldwide as it helped spread industrialization across Europe, North America, and beyond. This shift also led to a focus on energy sources and technology that continues to shape our world today. But the steam engine wasn't just about machines, it brought social change. It raised questions about working conditions, labor rights, and economic equality, sparking debates that continue today. And in terms of lasting impact, the steam engine laid the foundation for the fossil fuel-based energy systems we use today. Though now we face new challenges, the invention itself taught humanity about the power of innovation and the possibilities it can unlock. So there you have it, the story of the steam engine, a machine that didn't just power factories but powered a revolution. Its legacy lives on in the ways we work, travel, and think about energy and technology. Thanks for joining us on this journey back in time. If you enjoyed learning about the steam engine and its impact on history, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let us know in the comments what topic you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.